Hey there, creatives. It's a delight to see you today. It's what you're up to and where you're going and all that's going on. I trust you're well. So, just decided to do a little something with flowers today, maybe. Who knows? My phone's doing something weird, making strange noises. Oops. And let's give it a orangish background. It's Memorial Day. It's Memorial Day, which is different than Veterans Day. Memorial Day is to remember those who have served and lost their lives. And Veterans Day is to remember all those who served. But on Memorial Day, it's a day of remembrance. Hence the word memorializing. But some people don't think of that. Some people don't think that's where we're at. Stop. Gosh. Sorry about that. My cat has been exceptionally annoying lately. He got out about a year ago, spent the night outside, nearly lost his tail and several other things, and it ended up costing me $2,000. Now the cat wants to go outside all the time. And this time of year, he thinks that he needs to be outside. So yesterday, he gets outside and he's gone for 3 or 4 hours. I go to bring him in and he won't even come in. He growls at me. He hisses at me. He acts like he's never seen me and he's this wild demon cat. So if anyone's looking for a cat, who may be in the market for being available soon. It's just rather annoying, to be honest. And then yesterday, my bird had an accident, ended up with a huge gash on him. So he ended up having to go to the hospital yesterday. Another $1,500. Goodness gracious. So all of the money that I've made from my awesome new job has now paid for my animals. So maybe that was the reason for getting the job, so that I would have the money to take care of these things that showed up. But the cat was last year. I don't know why he's deciding to do his craziness these days, but it's frustrating to say the least. Every time I turn around, he's trying to escape out the door. Yesterday was very frustrating with him. But, you know, gotta love them. Gotta love them for all the joy they bring, right? All the joy they bring, allegedly. Allegedly. That's what I'm going to say. Allegedly. No, it's not true. They bring joy. They bring joy. Otherwise, why would we have them? Why would we have them? All right, that's the painting today. That's all there is to it. I trust that on this bright and beautiful Monday that you have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will look forward to seeing you the next time.